What is happening today and what will follow shortly is a clear indication that air transport is no longer a luxury for the chosen few. Air transport in this country is now a necessity to ease the cost of doing business, to ease travel, to make it convenient for people. And I have just looked at the rates to Kakamega and I was just doing quick mathematics. It is actually cheaper, monetary-wise, to fly to Kakamega and back than to drive. The Kenya Kwanza administration is keen to make it possible to have air transport across the country, to make it easy for people to do business, to open up tourism opportunities, and to enable Kenyans move faster and save time so that they can use that time for other productive issues in the economy.